Ano ang honest opinion mo kay Juancho?
Bayot.
Bayot ka doon. Ikaw. State your name.
Full name?
Full name.
John Ronald Enrique Miguel Alga.
What the freak? Yan name mo?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Ba't kahaba? That's what she said.
No, that's crazy.
Good morning, Liana. Good morning. No pictures. Bro, doon ka mag-vlog. Antayin mo si Carly. Wait lang. Kailangan ko magpa-braid. I wanted braid. Seth, say hi to the Britos vlog.
Hi.
Product natin. Ito.
DM me if you want to become sold product to human trafficking.
Ano yan?
And the reason why
Galing
madaming
friend to buy.
gusto is because it's made from breast milk.
Breast milk. May farm yan si Malaya.
That's why human trafficking. Grills.
Oh no! Luto! Oh, sige, vlog tayo. Hanap tayo ng mga vlog natin. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Hi.
State your name.
Gabriela M. Corpus.
Honest opinion kay Malia Paglas.
Warrant of arrest? Pinakamalakas ng boses sa batch.
Ano pa? Honest. Honest.
Bakit gusto mo talaga may mag-bad? Why you want the people to shit about me?
Oh, Malaya, baby. Oh, my God. Sige. Kailangan.
Appear! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Uy, Malaya.
Okay, go. Interview! How does it feel to be a volleyball player?
Nakakapagod.
Pang ina Jejimon. Quit! Huwag kay Lian! That's definitely gay. What are your thoughts on gay people?
What are your thoughts on Malia Paglas?
What are your thoughts on gay?
Oh.
No! I'm not gay! Hey! What are your thoughts on gay people? You love yourself, huh? Excuse me. Would you like to be interviewed? Yes. Okay. What are your thoughts on gay people?
Okay lang.
Okay. Are they nice?
Yes.
Hey, you're nice. Oh my gosh, lesbianism.
Hey, stop it!
Lesbianism.
Lesbianism, yung naghahawak ng